this video, I will show you how to connect Shopify with AliExpress. So if you want to know how it's done, and this video is for you. In order to do that, we first need to head over in here to our Shopify App Store. So in here, you can head over and search in here for App Store. And you can click on the Shopify App Store right here, and it will direct you to that. So what you can do is you can search in here for AliExpress. So let's search in here for AliExpress. And then once you have searched for that, you should be able to see a lot of dropshipping apps. Like for example, this Pocket, AutoDS, ZenDrop, AliExpress or AliReuse, this Desers, Zopi, and all of these things right here that you can choose from. So I recommend you to choose the ones that has built for Shopify options like the Zopi, or if you're actually on the other side, you can use Desers as well as Zopi and AutoDS. So you can choose the ones that actually works for you, but for this one, let's choose Desers. And then what you can do is you can just head over and install this particular application. Now I already installed it, so I'll just head over and click on open right here. And then I already connected them by installing them right there. So let's just wait for this. So on their page, just scroll down until you can see the here for the settings. Now once you have clicked on this, you can see this right here, which is all settings for there. So click on this general settings, or you can also click on the sales channel. Click on the store management, and in here you can see your Shopify. Click on this add store, and in here you can see all the stores that has been connected. So once you've done that, you can just head over and install this in order to connect your store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.